Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Ben. Great to see you again. Today I've got an awesome resistance band workout that you can do at home. If you haven't got your resistance bands yet, make sure you head to Amazon or your favorite sporting good retailer and get yours. They're really effective and so super cheap. I've got another 6 muscle building exercises for you to do today, and we'll hit every body part. Now, if you didn't see my first resistance band video, click this link to have a look now. You'll get some awesome tips on how to get the most out of your resistance bands. Okay, grab your resistance band. Let's get straight into the workout. Our first exercise today is a deadlift. Now, how do you do a deadlift with a resistance band? Well, that's easy. Double your band over, and you want to stand in the double band with a shoulder width stance, with your hands inside the band, palms facing your thighs. Now, from there, we're just going to do a normal deadlift. Sit the butt out, get the chest nice and high, eyes forward, keeping a nice strong lower back. Lower down until the resistance starts to disappear out of the band. And stand all the way back up, hips forward. I want you to do 4 sets of 10 to 15 reps of each exercise today. Okay, next exercise is a push-up, so let's get down on the ground. To do a push-up with your resistance bands, again, you need it doubled over like you did the deadlift. Put your hands inside the band, bring them up over your shoulder blades, and get into a normal push-up position. From there, lower yourself all the way to the ground and push all the way back up. Now, the reason for using a resistance band with a push-up is it provides extra resistance and extra force as you get higher up into the push-up. As you're pushing up, that resistance band is forcing you back down. You really have to push harder against that band to get all the way up. Again, 4 sets, 10 to 15 reps. Let's move on to the next exercise. Okay, next we move on to shoulders. We're going to do an overhead press. You need to stand inside the band at shoulder width. Bring the band up just under your chin. Elbows up nice and high and push all the way to the ceiling. Lock out at the top. Just like you would with a barbell press, barbell overhead press. Make sure you lock out, keep those elbows nice and high. 4 sets, 10 to 15 reps. Great shoulder exercise. Okay, our next exercise is a face pull. At the gym, you typically do this on a cable machine, but today we're going to use our resistance band. Find yourself a pole, something that's nice and sturdy that you can wrap your band around. Just wrap it through itself at face height. And you're going to grab the band at about shoulder width and with your palms facing down. Step back a little so that there's already a bit of tension on that band, and from there you're going to pull the band just towards your chin. When you really focus on squeezing your shoulder blades together, get a nice contraction right there. If you need to make it a little bit harder, again, step back a little bit further, and the tension on that band will make the movement just that little bit harder for you. Excellent. 10 to 15 reps, 4 times, and you'll be done. Okay, for our next exercise, we're going to keep the band on the pole we just attached it to, and we're going to do a tricep extension. So, grab the band over your shoulder, bring it up over your head, hold the band, palms facing each other, at about shoulder width, or just slightly narrower, and lean forward slightly. From there, it's going to push all the way down, keeping the top part of your arm parallel to the ground, really getting a good contraction. Push all the way out to get that contraction into the tricep. 10 to 15 reps, 4 sets. Again, if you need to make it harder, just step forward a little bit further. That brings us to our last exercise today, and that's a hammer curl. A hammer curl is just a variation of a bicep curl, except it brings the forearm more into play. Same as the bicep curl that we did in the first video, you'll stand the shoulder width stance in your band. This time you'll have your palms facing each other. So from a fully extended position in front of you, curl up, get a good contraction at the top, and then all the way down. Contract, all the way down. Again, do 10 to 15 reps, 4 sets. Your arms should be done by then. Alright, that's it. That's all I have for you today, guys. I hope you're really enjoying these home workouts, the resistance band workouts. If you'd like to see anything else, just leave a comment in the comment section. Great to see you again. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and turn notifications on just so you see all my future videos. Thanks so much for watching again, guys. See you next time. Stay safe.